Lucas. This is Agnes the Romancos and
Romancos Sophie
and
Romanco.
And you are
Romanco
Lucas, and we are the Romancos. And today is Valentine's Day, and we want to greet each and every one of you a happy Valentine's Day. And we hope your day and all the days of your life will be full of love. So what can you say, Sophia? How to greet them?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Again?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. How about you, Lucas?
Happy Valentine's Day.
And we love you. I love you so much. God loves you. Yeah. Hi guys, this is Agnes the Romancos, and today we have a task again from Miss Lu Bautista. Ayan, because it's Happy Valentine's Day, it's Love Month, and Happy Hearts Day. So we need to give a message to the loved ones, to the one we love. So sa aking my love, I call him my love since the beginning. So I was thinking what to say, but then I realized, the best message I gave him is the message I wrote, the letter I wrote during our wedding. So I will read to you my letter, my message for him during our wedding day, and until now that's the same message I want to give him every day of our lives together as a husband and wife, and now that we have a family. So I will read to you. As I have always told you, my love, I'm really grateful that God gave me you. He has blessed me with such an amazing and wonderful man, the man of my dreams. You're the perfect connection which makes my heart, mind, body, and soul complete. I may not be perfect, but I will continue to do my best, and as I promised to you, to always laugh with you and not to be angry easily, to always be patient and kind, to comfort you and give you strength in bad times, to listen to you and understand you, to always trust you and be faithful to you, to always be hopeful, to always persevere in everything that we plan to do and dream together. But most of all, I promise to love you unconditionally, whatever life takes us. And I'm really blessed, and I pray to grow old with you, and I love you so much, and God bless us. Agni. So he calls me Agni. And also, if you want to listen to his message to me when we had a wedding, I will read to you. Dear Agnes, the most beautiful girl in the world, all what I want to tell you is that I love you so much, and you know that I really do. I love you for everything you did for me, for us, and I will do my best for the rest of my life to do everything for you and pay you back all your effort, your patience, and your love you're giving me. It's almost 4 years, that was before, when you allowed me to enter your life, and it's exactly 1 year when I proposed to you, and you gave me your yes. My gosh, I forgot this message already, and now I'm reading it. I feel teary-eyed. In that moment, I was the happiest man in the world, a bit afraid but really happy and excited for our future life. I don't know how, and I don't even want to use big words about love, because for me, the acts are more than just words. So, in this moment, I want to assure you that I'm so proud of you. In all ways, I'm so in love with you. You are amazing, and I really want to make you happy every day for the rest of our lives. I love you. Or yun, naiyak naman ako dun. Kalimutan ko na yung message na yan, but really, this love month, it's not just the love month you show the people that you love them. Every day is a day to celebrate love. So, continue to love all the loved ones in your life. And I have a message for each and every one of you watching this video, this premiere, that there are no perfect lovers. Every one of us, each and every one of us, we're not perfect. But there will always be one who is perfect for you. So, once you have found that one, so treasure him or her and continue to do your best to show them your unconditional love. And God bless each and everyone. To God be all the glory, honor, and praises. And most especially, the best love of all is the God's love. So, bye-bye. Happy Valentine's.
Hello everyone! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman po si Nora FW Land sa inyong harapan para makipag-share ng aking hinanaing or mga experience kunuhay, no? It comes sa pag-ibig. Oh my God. Sabi ni Sisi Koy, isigaw mo ang mahal mo. Bakit isigaw? Bakit hindi na lang ibulong sa kanya na magising siya at tawagin ako? Anyway, ang dami kong experience when it comes to love. Way back nung mga single life pa tayo. Sorry. Ay, ayaw ko sa pag-ibig eh. Kasi guys, in comes sa pag-ibig, madali ako magseryoso. Yes, totoo yan. Para bang, hindi naman sa andali nila akong bulahin. Sa akin naman, madali akong maawa sa tao, lalo na pag maraming mga sinasabi in comes na yung part na mahal ka, aalagaan ka, yung mga ganong bagay, kinikilig ka. Walang ganyan. Sino ba ang isigaw ko sa ngayon? Parang wala pa yata akong isisigaw kasi tahimik eh. Tahimik ang puso ni Nori. Iba ako pag magmahal. So talagang tudo bigay. Totoo yan. Kasi actually single mom ako ngayon. Isang byuda na magti 13 years na rin na walang seryosong masyadong
We love you!
Meron naman akong meron actually ngayon guys, sa totoo lang, sinong taong isigaw ko, walang iba, kundi ikaw yun. Ikaw! Isisigaw kita kasi mahal. Ganun akong mag-amahal. Kumbaga, nakapokus ako sa isang direction. Although maraming mga humahatak, maraming mga upside downs na maririnig ko kasi nga ibang lahi. Nasa ibang lugar siya guys. So, ang hirap pag-usapan pag ganyan. Pero it comes to a right time. Sabi nga nila, at the right time talaga na pag binigay ni Lord, huwag mong pilitin ng isang bagay na hindi sa'yo. Mahal ko ang isang tao dahil nakikita ko na seryoso din siya para sa akin. O hindi naman sa lahat ng bagay, porket foreigner siya, ibang lahi, pag malaki mo na. No, huwag mo isipin yun. Kung anong meron kayo sa isa't isa, makikita mo yun kung sincere ba siya. O talagang nagpapakita lang siya dahil may hinahanap siya o mga something na isang bagay na madali kang kalabitin. Hindi po yung mga ganong, kumbaga, huwag ka muna magtrust sa mga ganong bagay. Ibang pag-usapan yun. So, sa akin lang, nakita kong mga ganong bagay na mahal ko ang isang tao. May mga potentials, may mga big dream na dapat namin i-reach out. Pero, mahirap po sa ngayon kasi nga, malayo kami sa isa't isa at iba yung time zone namin. So, for me nahirapan ako. Alam ko nahirapan din yung tao na yun. At makikita niyo dyan sa aking shorts na ginawan ko siya ng video. For this Valentine's, he is very special in my heart. Kahit na hindi kami masyadong nag-usap, alam ko one day, magnanak din yan sa aking door inbox na ganun tumatawa. Marami kaming mga good vibes na napag-usapan for the future, but I don't think so. I don't expect too much about him. Sa akin lang, I'm just enjoying myself, whatever it is. So, ano yung plano ni Lord para sa aming dalawa, siya lang nakakaalam. And that's it. So, happy Valentine's everyone. Happy Valentine's sa mga nagmamahal o nagmamahal ulit. Diba? Kasi iba yung natulong na iba na yung ibang usapan na yung wala kang minamahal. Iba, no, huwag kang magsabi ng wala kang minamahal kasi selfish ka. So, isigaw natin ang taong mahal natin na talagang proud ka sa sarili mo. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat at thank you kay Sisi Koy Lu to have this another opportunity again to join this type of event. At ito yung mga mahal ko ngayon. Ito yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. Ito si B1 at si B2. Ayan. Happy Valentine's from all of us. Bye!
Hello, Insan Lu. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Hindi na ako makikisali na naman dyan sa pasigaw-sigaw mo kasi hindi ako makakasigaw. Hindi ako makakasigaw ng I love you, Piolo! ng I love you, Piolo, hindi ako makakasigaw, Insan. Kaya sorry, hindi na naman ulit ako makaka-join sa iyong mga pakulo. Ayan. Kaya binabati ko na lang ikaw ng maligayang kaarawan ng mga puso. Sana ay meron ka ng ka-date. And sa lahat ng ating mga friendship dito sa YT, happy Valentine's Day.
Hello everyone! Mega shoutout sa inyong lahat, guys. This message is only a short message to special someone. Special someone daw? Sino kaya yun? And advance happy Valentine to all. Para sa mga pusong in love na nagpapakatanga. Nagpapakatanga daw. At saka sa mga pusong sawi, maghintay kayo, ma-in love din kayo. This only a short message. Short daw. Dear to my special someone in my heart. Heart daw. Kalma. Dear babe, shadow ha, babe. Dear boyfie agad. Thank you so much for everything. Magkasama tayo sa tuwa, saya. Tuwa, saya, isa lang naman yun. Ano ba? Magkasama tayo sa tuwa, hirap at ginawa. Madami lang tayong pinagdaanan. Tapos, eto lang ang message ko sa'yo. Stay who you are and salamat dahil ikaw yung yung nakilala ko. Minahal siya ka girl. Minahal agad. Ko ba? Tapos, I love you so much. Ha? So much agad? I love you na. Yan. Tapos, ikaw yung lalaking, ikaw na yung number 1 enemy, friends, at saka kachismisan ko sa mga fans. And this short message is long life and thank you for everything. And happy Valentine's Day, babe. And I love you. God bless you. And thank you so much for listening to this short message. Wala na kasi akong masabing ibang, guys, kundi salamat sa partner ko na patulungin din. Tapos, grabe naman ikaw, girl. Love yan. Tapos, yun lang, guys. Yun lang, wala na akong maibang masasabi sa kanya, kundi alagaan niya sarili niya. At saka, at saka sa hirap at ginhawa, nandito pa rin ako. Nagsusuportahan tayo. Ikaw yung number 1 kamaritisan ko. Alam niyo na, kamaritisan duduwa ko. Mas maganda yun. At saka, happy Valentine's in advance, guys. This is Reina Serrano. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you so much, Miss Lo Bautista, sa mga mo na naman to, pakulo mo na maganda-ganda. Ay, naku. Mega love share sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.